sugar cell. Going through the Docusign integration. So this is actually one of the biggest changes. There's two different integrations that are kind of now built into Sugar versus having them as an add-on. So that's a pretty neat new feature. So now users have the ability to send documents from Sugar to Docusign for electronic signatures, documents such as your contracts, quotes even. This is now can be sent directly from the Sugar record itself. The great thing about this integration, that everything is maintained within Sugar, right? So your signature statuses, you can track, who signed, created, delivered. That little screenshot right over here kind of shows you that. This ensures that everything is kept under one platform. You'll never have to kind of look for your documents. It's all underneath one place. This allows you to be more organized, provide a more uninterrupted workflow within Sugar. So that's a great integration there. Users can now also create different analytics and reporting behind Docusign integrations. There is a Docusign dashlet that is defined, and this is what that screenshot is of. The great thing about this dashlet is that you can actually directly access your documents directly from this dashlet itself. So you can click on your documents, you can download the signed documents, you can create different envelopes directly from the Docusign dashlet as well. So that's a great addition. And then Sugar also lets you create a Docusign envelope module out of the box. So this module was added to Sugar to support the Docusign integration. There are specific out-of-box fields that have been added to this module, and that can help you maintain your envelopes as well. And then within this module, users can also upload the Docusign envelopes in bulk, so you can mass upload. And you can even continue to manage your existing envelopes in there as well. One huge thing to remember with this 12 release is that if you previously have your old Docusign integration add-on, that no longer works. So you would have to integrate with this new Docusign integration within Sugar. So that's the biggest change there. We also have the Cloud Drive integration. This is also another neat integration that Sugar has provided. So it is a third-party Cloud Drive integration. It allows users to store documents in Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. They can access those documents directly from Sugar. Again, you can download those documents, you can upload them, you can copy links from the Cloud Drive dashlet. Again, similarly to the Docusign dashlet, there's a pre-created dashlet there, and that can be added to your dashboards for easier access. You can delete documents. And then obviously when you're deleting those records via cloud, if you want to delete it via this dashlet, they will be immediately deleted from your Google Drive, and then they will be moved to the recycle bin in Microsoft OneDrive. The great thing about this is everything is synced in real time. So all those uploaded and downloaded, the timestamp, that's all in real time. So that's a great feature. And then obviously users can also have the ability to convert any of their files into a Sugar document as well. Like any other file browser, you can sort them. So you can sort them alphabetically to better access and better view for your data. You can preview the document and its content simply by just clicking on the folder name. And that can be done directly from the dashlet as well. And then you can even open the file in a new tab, and that can directly take you to Google Drive or OneDrive, whichever it is that you are trying to view.
Dana, sorry to interrupt. We had a question, and I wanted to just pose the response to the entire audience because I think this might apply to a couple of people. The question was, how will we know our instance of Sugar is upgraded to version 12? I got an email a few days ago that says there will be maintenance, but nothing specific. Sugar support is going to be sending an email scheduling that upgrade. And if you want to see where you're at currently, you can go into your system under the user profile dropdown and click About, and it should show you the current version that you're on. But meanwhile, Sugar support will be reaching out specifically to you to make sure that that is scheduled. So if that email that you received was more of a generalized maintenance email, that's probably not the one. Thank you for that question. All right, Dana, continue.
Next slide, please, Andrew. And then a few additional capabilities. If you are utilizing SugarMarket, there have been 2 fields added to SugarMarket. So those 2 fields are those lead score and then the interest prediction score. Andrew did show us that earlier, but just that is an additional capability. And that can actually help you can now sync these 2 fields between SugarMarket and your CRM as well. So that's a neat feature. If you're utilizing the Sugar Hint, it's now actually built into Sugar. So you no longer need to maintain a separate module loadable page for that. So that is a neat feature as well. And that can obviously be accessed through the license key, your Sugar Hint license key as well.